Okay. Namaste, Prema from India Electronics. Today I am making for the egg cutlet. So for the ingredients, so here I taken for the 3 boiled egg, 4 slices of bread, cut onion, coriander leaves, green chilies, so salt to taste, 1 or 2 spoons of oil. This is for the corn flour, garam masala, chili powder and pepper powder. So first we can do for the mixing on this one. First we can add all the things. Okay, so first we can add all the ingredients here. So here I can add for the cut onion, this coriander and green chili. So for this one I'll use the bread. Just we can dip with the water, squeeze it up and add it on this. And egg, we want to make for the grate the egg on this. So just we can grate the egg here. See, it's grated egg one. So for this one, we will add a salt to taste here. Salt to taste and 2 spoons of corn flour I am adding. This is for that. According to your style of masala, you can add it. So already we had it for the green chili. I can add little bit for the chili powder. And this is for the pepper powder. Just we can add 1 spoon of oil. 1 spoon of oil. So this is we can mix well. We'll mix well. So now you can make according to your shape. You can make it on this. So whatever the shape you want, you can make it. So you make it on this. So whatever the shape you want, you can make it. So you want, you can grease the tawa. Otherwise, it's not necessary to use the tawa. Just we'll keep it like this. Okay. See now, that's the cutlet is ready. So now we are using in the microwave this one. We'll keep a grill rack in the one. So here we can set it for the combination too. So here we will come for the grill combination too. Set the time for 10 to 12 minutes. So after 8 minutes, once you want to take it out, you turn it and keep it back. Last 10 seconds is there. So your egg cutlet is ready. So here we are using for the only 1 spoon of oil. So now the egg cutlet is ready. You can add it. This comes nicely brown also. You can have it. Okay. See, this is both the side. The crispiness is comes on that. Okay. Thank you.